Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
May I know your name?
My name is Jia.
Where do you stay, ma'am?
I stay in Powai Vihar.
Okay, and what is the age of your child?
She is now 3.5.
Okay, so what kind of a school were you looking out for your daughter?
I think I made her join this play group when she was 2 years old.
Okay.
So I was looking out not for a very big ambience or not something which, something which is very, where the child is, see, this is going to be the first school for her.
Okay.
So I didn't want something where, I just push her in some school and then she's not been taken care of. This school was something, I was looking out for a place where the teacher is like very close to the student.
Okay.
And then, how we pamper the child at home, the teacher takes care of the child. So I was looking out for something like that. One. Two, I didn't want her to go very far off from my residence.
Okay.
So this was very close to my place. And in my building, I have a lot of kids who had joined this school.
Okay.
So I have got positive feedback about this. So I put her when she was 2 years old. She was in play.
Okay. Fine. So before finalizing on Little Stars, did you consider any other schools as well?
I didn't want to because I had heard so much about it. I don't want to confuse. Yes, my husband did find out about. He went to Brainworks.
Okay.
So there is so much play area, but then end of it that was not required because the kid is too small actually to go out so much. So here it was something. Everything is under one roof. The play area was there and. Everything was really nice. So this was, the choice of both of us.
Okay. So out of your personal experience, what are the two best things you feel about Little Stars?
Okay. There's lots because when she was really small, being the first child in the family, being pampered a lot.
Okay.
So she was really getting too, cranky about things. If you don't give her, start hitting herself or tantrums, So.
True.
And if I used to shout at her, she had people who support her at home.
Okay. So
this was the same thing which came up here, in the school, and the teacher Meeta, she found out this and she came personally to me and she told me, see, how's the behavior at home? So I told her, yes, I am finding changes from past 1 week, but then I thought maybe I'm not giving her time and all. Then she came up to me and told me, see, this is, you should, don't shout at her or don't hit her. That's not going to be the solution. Sit with her. She is able to understand things. Sit with her. Talk to her. And when you are trying to make things easy for her, don't allow others to interfere in her. So that she starts respecting you. Otherwise, she will not bother you.
Right.
So that was one thing that I communicated because I stay in a joint family. So I have no say at home much. But this I made. I put it across to them. See, this is for her good. So let me handle this. So I spoke to my husband about it and I told him, see, this is out. Then the base should be very strong for the child. And now trust me, till today, my family members are so happy that she's come here. Today when I told her I'm coming here, please call me for the thing, I will please go. Because her faith is really very strong.
Right.
Disciplined, she knows to meet people. And if anything, now I don't hit her. Initially I used to get frustrated because I'm in a family, pressure, work and everything. I don't hit her. I don't shout at her. Yes, when she knows, when she's wrong, I just show her my eyes. She knows she's going wrong.
Okay.
So making her understand was one thing. And if I tell her, no, I can't afford this, I can't buy, she understands. Okay. No wasting money. So all this, I think the base should be really very. So now she's in a junior KG. So she's adapting, but she still misses this. Anything Meeta auntie says, no wasting water. Meeta auntie. So she's not still got used to that.
Yeah.
The base is still very strong. And I told her I'm coming here. She just got up and I want to meet. Okay. So and first day of school I made her come here because she's the first teacher for her. So that is always going to be there for her. So very nice to have her here. Very nice. I was so emotional, when she left the school. I was literally in tears. Now I come meet her and all that. So
okay. And by any chance, do you feel that anything could be more better at this place?
No. Everything is so perfect. The teacher, the Moshi, the maid, everybody is so nice and they're so loving. And that huggable nature, no differentiation about it. And what's the best part is, she concentrates on each and every student. Unka discipline pattern, If some child is being naughty about something, she 20 students, 21, it's okay. Number shouldn't be that much. But at least minimum number, the more concentration the child, the child has been concentrated because we got to work on the child. But If there are 30 students and the child is crying, no problem. Here, she was sick. One day she was having fever. She called me, and she was actually sleeping on her lap. That is something which kids really love. You know, that the pamper, the motherly thing what a kid requires when she's sick, when she's fallen, and she didn't want to come to me also.
Okay.
And उसको बीच में some rashes where she got some chicken pox. She didn't want to come back home. No, I want to play. There was some sports practice going on.
Okay.
I don't want to get back home. Then she told, no, everybody's going. छुट्टी हो गई है सबकी. You got to go and all that stuff. Then she, इतना है उसको school के लिए. She like, evening when I take a walk, my school is open, Mama. There's some classes going. My school is open, so that thing is there for the child. So that's very nice.
Okay.
So I'm very happy that the base was really nice.
And finally, if you were to recommend Little Stars to some other parents,
I would please do this. Don't just go for the place like big place, or the classroom should be huge and there should be a play area like slide and all that stuff. It is not required at this age because the kid is exposed later anyways to the base or the kid depends. And you know what, more than the base, the teacher concentrates on each and every child, works on the child which is required. It is not necessarily having 30 students in the class and then चल रो रहा है बच्चा हमको क्या करना moshies will take care of the parents will take care of that shouldn't be there. Each and every child should be worked upon. That's what it is the best in the school. That it stays, it stays in the mind.
So, yeah, and so on a scale of 5, how would you rate it?
I have no rating. 5 on 5.
Okay.
I have no point. 1 also I would not say anything. The learning is bad in the school. Nothing. Perfect for the child. It has to start. For a start, this is a school.
Fine. Thank you so much.